Estonian bag that I found in this, like these places where people can leave their books and then also take books from there. I found this book when I was cycling around Klogaranna. You can access it from Tallinn easily by train, and you can also take your bike on the train for free. At first, I thought you need to pay, but I asked the train staff if it's Tasuta, and she said, yeah, se on Tasuta. I think she was also actually not a native Estonian speaker. She had quite an accent in her Estonian, and so do I. So, but yeah, but she was saying that it's free. It's Tasuta. Um, yeah, but anyway, I think it's really nice that trains so so not crowded. It's kind of like empty, and you don't feel so bad for bringing your bike in. I cannot imagine how it would be if it's a train in Tokyo, because マネパリ東京ストヤパニストI used to take a train every day to go to high school, and when I mentioned this to my Estonian friend, like they always kind of get like surprised how it's normal for me to take a train for like 1 hour to go to a high school. But I think in Tokyo it's quite normal, because parents want their kids to go to a good private school. If they I don't know how to say, but like if they care about like education, or if they can afford it, and then like these private schools, it's not like they are everywhere in the neighborhood, so you do go to school kind of far away from your home. But I don't think 1 hour by train in Tokyo is necessarily that long. Some of my classmates came to school by foot sure what Kuyundanut means. Foto Yosef Malkiel Martis Ukstad Uhexa Sada Seite Gement Uhexa Lebenet Vaba Riglikul Romani Vistulsil Anti Deoselle Kax Ohind. Okay, I'm not even sure if this is originally in Estonian or like translated to Estonian. Esimene osa. Pad vaina peal redel. Okay, I forgot how to say this kind of like 16th, which is viscous